Let's say you have a dream. You want to move to Italy, live here, and hopefully making money. Despite of current worldwide situation, Italy is still a great country with a lot of opportunities. The biggest mistake an expat can do is actually wandering around different Facebook groups and unqualified blogs and collect random information about Italian taxes, Italian bureaucracy, and read opinions written by non-expert professionals. All you have to do is working on a very short checklist starting from when will I have to move to Italy? Timing can impact in a good and in a bad way on your tax position. Okay, it's time for the first step forward. First, you need your codice fiscale, the Italian unique code to identify every individual. It's something close to the Social Security number in the US or the National Insurance number in the UK. The codice fiscale is necessary to, for example, request residency in Italy, to sign a rent lease, to set up a bank account, and to get a VAT number. Without it, basically you can't move a hand. You can get your codice fiscale personally, best way, or you can delegate someone to do it on your behalf. You can get it by a consulate, embassy, or any Italian tax office. Second step, get a VAT, also called partita IVA. Request works like the codice fiscale, but also you must choose the activity code that qualifies your business. Attention! Different activity code goes with different tax regime. Pick it carefully. Once that you get your individual partita IVA, you are officially a self-employed or, in other terms, a freelance. The Italian tax year starts from January 1st and ends on December 31st. And income is taxed usually the cash basis. The tax filing deadline is November and the following year. There are also two different deadlines for tax payments. The first deadline in the end of June, while the second one is the end of November. Also, in Italy you pay taxes in advance. 40% of the past year tax on June, 60% on November. What if you miss the tax filing deadline? A return filed after the deadline could cost you a minimum general penalty of €250, and it can go up to 120% to 240% of any tax liability resulting from the tax return itself. You became resident in Italy? Now you must pay taxes to Italy on your worldwide income. Hold on, there are a few benefits waiting for you. New tax residents of Italy could benefit of a 70% tax-free income for 5 years, as long as they're employed or self-employed in Italy. The conditions are: be a new tax resident of Italy, not be a tax resident of Italy in the previous years, have a college degree, or be a highly skilled worker and remain in Italy for at least 2 tax years. Another benefit comes with the so-called regime forfettario. Only individuals partita IVA, so freelance is included, can access it. Main conditions are: you cannot make more than 65 in revenue income per year, you cannot have any sources of income exceeding the 65,000, you cannot entertain business with your previous employer. If you fit them all, you will pay only the 5% tax on your income for the first 5 years. From the 6th year, the tax rate is increased to 15%. Of course, there are also consequences of being a freelance here in Italy. Tax office can possibly audit your business and personal income. Individual VAT carries unlimited liability for your business, so consider the personal wealth at risk. Your individual credit score cannot be split from the business one to the personal credit score. How do you pay taxes here? How do you transfer money from you to the tax office? Modello F24 is the tax form used to pay almost every tax. This form allows you to offset tax credits and tax debits, as well as identify every single tax you pay with a different tax code given by the taxes office. You have two best ways to pay the form. You can pay at the local post office or at every bank in cash, up to 1,000 from July 21, or you can pay through your home banking. So, the best advice for you, as you can see, is having and using an Italian bank account with your codice fiscale. You will be able to check all the payments and you will have the proof of payment in case of any tax audit letter from the tax office.